Today let's see how we'll set up a Bing Search Console or a Bing Webmaster Tools. Okay, now let's type Bing Search Console or Bing Webmasters. Both are called same. Let's go to Bing Webmasters and click on sign in over here. And you have Microsoft, Google and Facebook. You can log in for whichever account you want. I am logging with Microsoft account. So once I've logged in, you will see a fresh dashboard, not this dashboard, because if you have not set up any webmasters previously, you will not see this dashboard. So okay, so if you have already set up, you will have an option, okay, to add site. Now I'll click on add site. You have two options. One is importing the site from Google Search Console, and next is directly verifying your site manually on Microsoft Bing Webmasters. Now let's try importing it from Google Search Console. I'll click on import. Okay, next I'll click on continue, and it will ask the Google account over here. I'll click on the Google account, continue, and it shows the different sites which are not available in Bing Webmasters and are available on Google Search Console. There are other websites which are already imported, so that is why it is not showing. So these two sites are not imported into this Bing Webmaster tool. That's why it is showing these two websites. Now I have selected whichever site I want. Okay, I can select any site which I want. Okay, and I'll click on import. Okay, click on import, and it's gonna take some time and import all the data from Google Search Console into Bing Webmaster or Bing Search Console. Okay, now it has imported successfully both the sites. Now I'll click on done. Okay, once I click on done, I'll be able to see the two websites here. You can see AI Forum and next is Mechanical Education. Right, now I click on this Mechanical Education. Right, since we added this one just now it will take some time to see all the data over here. Right, I click on Webmaster, so maybe give some time of a day, so it should show all the details over here where it is indexing in the Bing. Okay, if you are getting any search traffic from Bing, then you will definitely see all the data here. And Bing Search Console is almost same as Google Search Console. You will see the same search performance over here. URL inspection, you can inspect any URL and fetch to Bing so that it crawls the particular URL. Next is Site Explorer. Okay, I'll just show the another website which I have. Let's go to this website. Click on search performance, so it will show all the data same as Google Search Console, which is the clicks, impressions, CTR and average position. So right now here it's not there, but if you go keyword wise, you will see here average position of each one. Okay, you can go to pages, it will show the pages of this one. Next I go to Site Explorer, and it will show all the details, how many are indexed, how many are excluded, how many we have warnings. Right, so all the information will be shown over here. Here you can expand, and all the folders of the website are mentioned over here. Next is sitemaps. Directly whatever sitemap has been updated on Google will be imported into this as well, and you can see the sitemap over here. Next is Index Now. So Index Now is basically an option which is built by Bing, where you can index any web page which is published newly instantly. You can directly do it instantly over here. Right, you can submit all the URLs over here. Next is backlinks data. It will show all the backlinks which you have to your site. Next is keyword research. You can do the keyword research of the keyword what you want to research on and get the data. Okay, next it is the top insights, where it will show how many errors are there in our website, what are the priorities. There are high priority errors, there are low priority errors. You can see over here many pages have identical titles. 166 pages have this. Right, same way there's a description missing in one of the pages, in 2 pages. Description is too long or short in 2 pages. H1 is missing in 2 pages. And there are image tags, image alt tags, which are not given to almost in 180 pages, right? And next is site scan. You can do a new site scan. It will analyze the website and give you all the issues in a technical perspective. Okay, next is you have crawl control. Okay, you same as we have in Google, we have the crawl budget over here, right? So it will show all the crawlings happened on a particular date and timing. Also block URLs. If you want to block any URL temporarily in appearing the Bing, you can add that over here, right? You can add here, or else if any directory you want to add here, you want to add both URL and also the cached URL, you can add over here. Okay, next you have tools, robots.txt tester, right? You can test the robots.txt file of yours to see whether Bing is blocked or not. Okay, next, verify Bing bot. You can enter your IP address to verify if it is a Bing bot or not, right? And next is if you have any copyright notices, if you are using some other website's content, okay, some other person has flagged your content for copyright, then all of those will be mentioned over here. Next is user management. You can give access to different people. And next, Microsoft Clarity. It's a different tool from Microsoft where you can install on your site, and it will give you all the heat maps, recordings of your site. So this is a different tool. So this is how you install and check your data on Bing Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools. Thank you for watching.